welcome to day 18 of my 31 days of Halloween. Today's look is Maleficent in celebration of the brand new film that is out now. I started this look off by priming my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly, and then I went into the Colourpop Lilac You A Lot palette and used the shade Iffy to blend into the crease. I then got these eyeshadow guards that I got from Primark and I cut them and stuck them to the outer corner of each eye. Going back into that palette, I used the shade called Filtered and I blend that into the crease as well, just to darken the whole eye look up. To add a little bit more of a blue undertoned purple, I go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette and use the shade called Believe, and I blend this into the crease as well. To create the winged cut crease, I use a Primark concealer and a little brush and I start to paint it over my lid. I then go into a neon green that is in the Neon Huda Beauty Green Obsessions palette and I start to place this over the concealer. I cover that cut crease in the Helen E Cosmetics Glitter Fixer Gel and then I place some loose green glitter over it. I then wipe away the excess that is on my face and slowly remove the eyeshadow guards. I next go into a white eyeshadow and place it in the area where the eyeshadow guards were. Using the Fenty Beauty 2-in-1 Glitter Release Eyeliner in the shade Neptune, I start to create a winged eyeliner and I also create a little bit of a point in the inner corner of my eye as well. Then using the Fenty Beauty Vivid Liquid Eyeliners in the shade Wet T-Shirt and Jalapeno, I start to create a little bit of a graphic aligner. I then quickly do my base makeup before going into the eyes again. So I get the original purple eyeshadow that we used earlier and I start to blend it down into the nose contour as well as the bottom lash line. I also line my waterline with a black eyeliner pencil. Using that same eyeliner pencil, I fill in my brows black. And now it is time for the famous contour. So I use the Lunatic Cosmetic Labs contour palette for this and I get a really kind of stiff brush. As you see here, you wouldn't normally use this brush for contour, but I needed it to be really sharp because this is Maleficent and that is what she's known for. I also use it to contour my nose a little bit as well. To enhance the contour even more, I use the white shade that is in the contour palette and I apply this onto the highlighted areas. I line my lips using the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Heartbreaker and then I fill them in with the Colourpop Lippy Sticks in the shade Jam Sesh. For my lashes, I use the Scouse lashes that are in the style Anfield Road. And lastly, I apply some mascara to my bottom eyelashes before going in with the accessories. So I use this big chunky jeweled choker to put around my neck, and then I actually got this feathered belt that I used to put around my shoulders so it looked a bit like the costume. And then of course I got these Maleficent horns from Amazon. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you do like it, hit that like button so I know that you like it, and if you are looking for some more Halloween inspiration this October, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me over on my Instagram channel. My name over there is @brooke.ellis_. It is linked in the description down below, along with my other social medias like TikTok and Twitter, as well as some discount codes down there for some makeup brands like Colourpop. So make sure you check them out if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!